Los Angeles really made my musical path. Thousands of hours of my lifetime have been spent DJing. You get so much musical stimulation from this city. I like to capture that energy in my own tracks. With a cool little sound, I'll loop it in my head, add drums around it or a bass line underneath it, and create a song that just reminds me of a moment. Living in LA, I'm surrounded by so many different sounds, from a car playing an underground radio show to a food truck blasting music, or a record shop playing hip-hop, street sounds, and natural peacefulness. There's an overall warmth and summery undertone to a lot of the sounds coming out of here. Every place in LA has a very distinct sound. A track is never really done. There's just a moment when you realize you have to get it out there.